G'day guys, welcome to the channel. So just going to show you what I found the other day. I was just going over a few things, getting this ready for registration, and I actually had this right wheel off, and to just do a little bit of an adjustment on the actual wheel alignment. So I had to undo the tyre ends, and just square things up a little bit on the steering. Got all that measured out, so that's fine. But when I put the wheel back on, I spanned the wheel and I heard this clunk, clunk, clunk. I thought, oh, what the hell? So anyway, as you can see, if I move the front prop shaft, obviously the axle is spinning away, well, rocking from side to side. You can actually see the movement and play in this right axle universal joint. So that will need to come out. I've already ordered the parts. I've actually ordered a brand new axle, fully complete, with a new hub, which sits on the outside of this. So once I get those parts, I will do a video on the removal and installation of those parts. But yeah, it's something that I did not, or I must have missed it when I put the calipers and playing around with the front end of this Jeep. But anyway, so it's another thing we've got to do on the XJ. Okay, guys, we'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.